Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about a solution to one of the most difficult terrains for roads in Jamaica. We're talking about Spur Tree Hill. Just recently, the Minister of Works said that Spur Tree Hill is a problem, and another area that's a problem is the Long Hill. These are steep. Well, let's talk about Spur Tree Hill today. These are steep hills. Now, the solution we're talking about is building a tunnel to go through Spur Tree rather than building a road to go over it or around it. So it would definitely be a major undertaking in Jamaica, but it's manageable and it's something that's needed. Other countries have massive tunnels that work well. Other countries have faced the problem that Jamaica faces with hills. And one of the solutions is a tunnel. So, guys, let us know what you think. Now, the highway network in Western Jamaica needs to be improved, or the road network, I should say, and that was more than evident after the passage of the hurricane. So, the government is planning to build more toll roads for Western Jamaica or expand the toll highway network. Currently, the highway goes from Kingston to Mandeville, but that's where it ends now because the next route would be from Mandeville to Black River, and that would involve Spur Tree Hill. So we are going to give you an update on what it would take to build a tunnel through Spur Tree. For decades, the Spur Tree Hill corridor has been one of the most difficult and dangerous stretches of road in Jamaica. Located along the route connecting Kingston with Manchester and St. Elizabeth in western Jamaica, the steep hills, sharp bends, and heavy truck traffic have long frustrated motorists and slowed economic movement across the island. As Jamaica continues expanding its modern highway network, some have suggested a bold solution. Some have suggested a bold solution constructing a tunnel through Spur Tree Hill instead of building roads over the hill. Such a project would represent one of the most ambitious engineering developments in Jamaica's history. Currently, drivers traveling through Spur Tree Hill must navigate steep inclines and winding roads that become especially dangerous during rain or periods of heavy traffic. Large trucks often move slowly while climbing the hill, creating congestion and increasing the risk of accidents. The difficult terrain also places strain on vehicles, increases fuel consumption, and slows the movement of goods between Kingston and western Jamaica. A tunnel through the hill could completely change that experience. Instead of climbing over the mountain, motorists would travel directly through it on a straighter, flatter route. Travel times between Kingston and central or western parishes could be reduced significantly, making transportation more efficient for commuters, businesses, and tourists. The project would likely become part of Jamaica's broader highway expansion strategy under the Highway 2000 network. All right, guys, that's the end of the update. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. All right, guys, have a good day.